Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this top. This is a two-part video. The first part, which is this video, I'm going to show you how I made the mesh halter top. As usual, I'm working with my 4.00mm hook and I have my black yarn. So first off, we're going to make a slip knot. Next, I need you to chain 30. I'm chaining 30 because of my size. So in order to determine your size, I have a good book here. Let's assume this is your body. You see this? And your neckline is here. So you just need to take the amount of chains from this point to this point. So for me, that's 30 chains. So calculate yours and work with that. So I'm going to make 30 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Here I have 30 chains. I'm going to chain an extra 4 because I'm working a mesh design. Next, into our 30th chain, I'm going to place 1 double crochet in there, chain 1, skip the next chain and into the next, another double crochet, chain 1, skip the next and into the next stitch, another double crochet. So we're going to keep at that till we get to the end of our row. So when you get to the end of your row, I have one more chain here. So I'm just going to place my last stitch into that chain. Now I've gotten to the end of our first row. Advancing into the next, chain 4. So now we're going to start increasing. And in order to do that, we're going to place our next stitch into this first stitch here, chain 1. Next we're going to place our next stitch right above this one, and in the next, chain 1, like I said earlier, we're increasing on this part right here. So I have one more stitch left. I'm going to chain 1, place my next stitch into this, chain 1, and place another stitch right into that same stitch. So here I have 2 stitches in one, chain 4, advancing into the next row. I'm going to place the next stitch into this same stitch, chain 1 and into the next, So I'm going to keep at this till I have up to 11 rows. Now I have a total of 11 rows. So next we're going to stop decreasing. Chain 4. So we're going to stop decreasing. I'm going to place our next stitch right above the next. Chain 1. Place the next stitch, chain 1, and the next. So I'm going to keep at this till I have up to 15 inches. So I made a total of 32 rows, as you can see, and it measures around 15 inches. So next we need to make our covering for the back panel, and in order to do that I need to make our stitch along this line. So I'm going to make my mesh design along this line up to this very point where we stopped decreasing. So I need you to chain 4, place 1 stitch in the next, chain 1, place another stitch in the next and chain 1. So just keep at that till you get to the point where you stop decreasing. So this is the point where I stopped increasing. I'm going to chain 4, turn my work, continue the pattern. So basically we're going to keep working this pattern till I have enough to get to the middle of this top. So I'll keep working, I'll let you know how many rows I make in total. So for our back panel, I made a total of 15 rows on this panel, and I went ahead, I did the other part. Here I did 16 rows. The reason why I did 16 and here 15 because I'm working with buttons, so if you want to make your strap, you can make both of them the same length. So I did 16 here and 15 here, so they can overlap each other. That means if I have my 16th row here, I have the 15 right above it, and it sits perfectly well and it's properly closed. So I'm going to continue this tutorial in the part 2. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video. Thank you.